Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft Teams AI workflows for approvals, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application. Navigate to the left sidebar and select the apps icon. In the apps menu, use the search bar to type approvals. Once you find the approvals app, click on it to open. This will take you to the approvals workspace. Here, look for the settings option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on Settings to view the configuration options. You will need to set up the necessary permissions for AI workflows. Ensure that you have the appropriate administrative rights to authorize AI functionalities. Once in Settings, locate the AI Workflow Authorization section. Here, you can enable or disable AI capabilities for the Approvals app. Select the Enable AI Workflows toggle to activate the feature. Next, proceed to set the approval thresholds according to your organization's policies. Specify the types of approvals that can utilize AI automation. After configuring the settings, click on Save to apply the changes. Now, return to your Approvals workspace to create a new approval request. Click on the New Approval Request button. Fill in the necessary details for the request, including title and description. Now, look for the option that allows you to use AI for recommendations. This option will guide you on suggested approvers based on past data. Select the AI-generated recommendations or choose your own approvers. After finalizing the approvers, click on Send to submit the approval request. Your request will now utilize the AI workflows configured earlier. Monitor the status of your approval in real time within the same workspace. Feel free to customize the approval process as needed for future requests. This completes the authorization process for AI workflows in Microsoft Teams approvals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.